Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick catch up. These are my pelargonium cuttings. As you can see, these were just offcuts. I was pruning them for the to overwinter them in the greenhouse. As you can see, these have all failed. Too narrow, not enough, not substantial enough. The ones that are thicker in the middle, hopefully, when I unpot these on the bench, hopefully we're going to have some roots on these ones. Fingers crossed. These were taken from, I think, this one here. As you can see, I fed it and it's been under the grow lights to give it another water, and it's coming along nicely. I'm going to prune this back again, so I'll probably take some cuttings, some more cuttings off that. But yeah, let's have a look in here, shall we? I'll just show you a quick whiz around, get the light in if I can. And this is my little heated propagator. These have been on my bench below here, but there's not enough moisture in the air. I thought it would be with all these plants, but I've got some holes at the back of the fence panels there, letting a lot of heat and moisture out. So I moved them up top into here, and hopefully, fingers crossed, that it'll take now they're up there. So yeah, let's get back to these, shall we? Fingers crossed that this little monkey, my little helper, give him a clean. Right, so let's tip this out, shall we? And I'm hoping that we are going to have some roots at the bottom of this one. So yeah, spin it round like so. Be nice. I don't know how long these have been in. I'll have to have a look when I've made my video. Let's see, shall we? Yeah, not a lot, but there is roots on there. Like I said, these were just offcuts, so any that I've rooted, roots on that one, which is nice. Look at this one, yeah, roots on all so far. This one in the middle, even roots on that one. So I am really pleased with those. What I shall do now is get some of these 9cm pots. Quite easy. All we do then is pop them on. These are Pelargoniums. These were purchased from Fine Bricks Nurseries last year. I got some last year, and I got a couple the year before. I think I got one the year before. Yeah, all you have to do is give them a firming like so to one side. Yeah, I cannot recommend them enough for Pelargoniums and begonias. Really good quality. Things like so. Yeah, you can see there all the way up. See, even there's roots. So anywhere where there's damage, it tends to try and send out roots. And I've got some beautiful pictures of these Pelargoniums, which I'll upload when I put my video. Of these, because these are that's the reason I've took cuttings, because they're absolutely divine, these. Like I said, they haven't cost me anything. These were just offcuts, so you cannot beat that. Free plants, I absolutely love it. I hope everybody's having a good new year. Hopefully this year my garden's going to be even better. I cannot wait to get cracking. As soon as it warms up, I shall be out in the garden. I've got some more pots, excuse me. That's it, found another one. So this is not bad. All four in this pot. These are all the bigger ones. They have all rooted. Once again, I rooted these in a mixture of perlite and normal peat-based compost. I use a mixture of probably 50%. 50%, and perlite really helps with air and moisture retention. It doesn't get too waterlogged, but it doesn't dry out either too quickly. So yeah, that is my cuttings there. They were my Pelargoniums. They were taken from this plant here. I think this is the name of it. It's called Escape Verglow angel pelargonium. So yeah, that's how thick it is from that. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.